Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove your speaker JBL Flip 7 from the application. And if we open the application, right here we can't find a button to remove the speaker. So what we should do? We have few options how to remove it from the application. The first one, you can just turn off your speaker, and if your speaker is disconnected, it's just gone from the application. And as you can see right here, we have no more. Also, we can go to the settings, connected devices, then you click the settings icon, or if you have iOS, you click the information icon. And right here we have a two button, is disconnect and forget. So the difference between them is that if you click at the disconnect, it leave your device, your speaker, at the device list. And if you click at the unpair, it just remove it from the device list. So I'm going to click at the disconnect, but it's the same, you can click at the unpair if you don't need it. So tap on it, and as you can see right here, we have it at the device list. It should be at the same devices, yeah, right here we have it. And if we return to the application, right here also we have no information about the speaker. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!